Madison, Franklin County,
Madison
in
County,
west central
Arkansas.
Arkansas, until
Thunderstorm
4:16
warning.
a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:26 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 2 miles south of Japton to 2 miles west of Hartman, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour.
It's on the other side of Fort Smith.
Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations in or near the path include Ozark, Altus, Denning, St. Paul, Winterton Village, Cass, St. Paul, Boston.
There's two St. Pauls.
Jethro,
There's a
Red
St.
Star,
Paul
Crosses,
on both
Forbes,
sides of
Turner's
Fort
Bend,
Smith.
Dutton, Barnes, Alex, Redding, Withers. This includes Interstate 40 in Arkansas between mile markers 34 and 42. The severe thunderstorm warning for